So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to buy BRET on your Coinbase wallet. So for you to able to do it, just simply access your Coinbase wallet by opening the application and make sure that you are in the buy section, which is right here. After that, you need to change your network into Base, which is already here. It is the default. So after that, make sure that you are buying the BRET cryptocurrency. So make sure that you will switch it in. So you just click it right here and search for BRET. After you search for it, just simply click the BRET and you can now tender an amount of how much BRET you are going to buy. Like for example, like this. And you have a bunch of options that you can do for your payment method. Like for example, you just have to click the pay with section. And here are the list of all the providers that you can go with. For example, in credit card or some debit card or bank transfer. After you click or you choose your payment method, you just have to click the continue to payment to proceed to your purchase. And that's how you buy BRET on your Coinbase wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.